Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever part in the world you are. This is Cook and Inspire with Chef Garnet at it again. And today we're going to be cooking some Callaloo rice. Not Callaloo and rice, but Callaloo rice. It's like seasoned rice. If many of you have eaten seasoned rice, ackee seasoned rice, but this is Callaloo rice. It's ideal for vegetarian and vegan. Yeah, so my basic ingredients that I'm going to be using. Before I get into that, don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video if you like it, and leave a comment. Okay, so my basic ingredients that I'm using, I've got about 4 cups of rice here, which are already washed. You know, it's properly washed. I don't think when I put my rice in my pot it's not washed. It is washed. Yeah, it washed.
Okay.
Right? I've got my Callaloo. I haven't got fresh Callaloo because we're in England, London. So I've used thinners. Okay? So here it is already open, washed already. So what I'm gonna do now is, first of all, I've got my ingredients. My Callaloo, I've got some chopped onions, I've got some garlic, which I'll be putting in the pot, right? So I'll be going in the pot now with some butter. I'll put some oil in there just to stop the butter from smoke, right? So I'll be going in with some butter. There we are. And my assistant chef is over here. She's hiding in the corner. My beautiful wife, you know. She's helping me out in the kitchen today.
I'm the boss.
No, she's the boss. She's the boss. She says she's the boss. I'm just the worker.
Yes.
Yeah? So my butter is in the pot. Alright, so let that melt. What I'll be doing now, I'll be going in with my chopped garlic. It's already here because the way I'm going to do this, I'm going to cook down my Callaloo. Season it and cook it down just like you can eat it without anything. Then I'll be going in with my water. My assistant, will you just kind enough to boil that kettle for me, please? Right, so boss lady. So I'll be going in with my garlic. About 4 cloves of garlic, well chopped. I'll be going in with some onions that are already chopped. Yeah, man. Some spring onions. You know, I'm not going to go in with all of it, so I'm just going to use my hand. My hand is clean. Look, there's no dirt in my nails. Alright, so some spring onion. Otherwise known as scallion back home. Scallion! I bring my stove up to medium heat. Give it a little mix. You can smell the garlic already. I'm infusing that butter and that onions sizzling away there. Right? So next, what I'll be doing, I'll be adding my Callaloo. That's already started to burn, that garlic started to burn. You get that nice infused, that smell from that garlic is so nice. So I'll be adding in my Callaloo. Boss lady. So give that a little mix around, yeah? And what I'll be doing, while that is frying up, my Callaloo is frying up, I'll be going in with just a little bit of salt. You know? Don't beat me bad for the salt now, you know. You know, don't beat me bad for the salt. It's not too much salt. It might look like it's too much, but it's not. I'll taste it after, right? I'll be going in with some Maggi season. I love my Maggi. Oh my God, I love my Maggi. It is beautiful. And Maggie, someone start really promote and stuff. Maggie and, you know?
Maggie in my life.
Maggie and my wife said Maggie is in her life. Right. So mix that around and smell that. Start to smell that nice goodness coming from that garlic, that onion. Right, so let that cook up for a little while. Rest that there. So I'll come back and show you when I'm going to be pouring in my liquid, which is my my water. You know, so I'll show you that process when I come back. Here it is. Now I'll be going in with my liquid. You know, I already boiled my kettle, so I'll be going in with some hot water. And you have to know how much water to put in your pot, because you don't want your rice to come out saggy like a pudding. You know, remember we're not cooking pudding, we're cooking rice. The rice must be nice and shelly. You know, so depends on the amount of rice you're gonna be cooking. Right, so not using much water. So what I do, I add my liquid. As you can, my camera lady slash man will come look in my pot. Look at that goodness. On my Callaloo, you know. So bring that to a boil. As I say, it's warm water I've put in there. So it's already started to boil. What I'll do, I'll taste it. Yeah, don't forget to taste it, because you don't want to come up with a fresh rice. So I'll taste it. So this is how I taste my pot. You know, I put it in my hand and I taste it. You know, don't ever put your spoon in your food and then put it in your mouth and then put it back in the pot. We Jamaican don't work like that. Yeah? So this is how I see my mother do it all the time. She always put it in her hand. Taste it. Yes, good still. I'll put a little pinch of salt in it. And don't forget, when you put your rice, you know, the water gonna get fresh. Take this out. Yeah, man. So, and what I'll do is I'm now gonna use a little bit of cooking oil in my rice, and I'm doing it. You know, you make your rice comes out really nice and shelly. So I'll put some cooking oil in there. Here it is, my cooking oil, just a little bit. That's it. A bit of cooking oil. I think I need a bit more water in my rice I'm using. Where's my boss lady? So here it is. Mix that up. As I say, it's already, the callaloo is already cooked. You know, our water is boiling up. So all I need to do now is going in with my rice. So my rice already washed and everything, ready to go in the pot. My pot is really tasting good. So here we are now. My rice in there. All my rice in there. There you are. Yeah, so once the rice in there, let's give it a little stir around. Get that callaloo and that rice mixed up all together. Well, some of you watching this video now and saying, why are you using a spoon or something to stir the rice? The rice is gonna come out soft. You know, just getting it all combined together. And then I'll put away my spoon and then I'll use a fork just to tease it up. But you don't want to keep stirring your rice. You know, remember you're not cooking porridge or you're not cooking pudding. You're cooking rice. So what I do now, I let that simmer and I come back and I show you what is happening in that goodness, that pot of goodness. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share and leave a comment. Yeah, so this is my rice, my callaloo rice, steaming down. Yeah, so what you can see here now is cling fling I've used to cover it. This is one of the tricks of getting a nice and a fluffy rice. You know, because what happens is you trap all that steam inside the pot and you come out with a nice shelly rice. So this is one of the tricks that I use to cook a nice shelly rice. You know, people got different ways of cooking it, but this is one of my techniques that I use to cook my rice. Cling fling it over and you get those grains nice and shelly. I'll come back and I'll show you when it's all done and served up. So here we have it now, our finished product from our Callaloo rice. You know, as you can see, rice well presented. You know, here is our pot of rice, Callaloo rice at its finest. You know, vegans.
What?
You know, I ain't gonna serve this with any meat. You can eat this on its own. You know, so if you're a vegan,
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Then this is the ideal thing for you. Yeah? So don't forget to follow us. You know, we're on Twitter, not Twitter, we're on Instagram, Facebook, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Until next time, Chef Garnet out the kitchen. Cook and inspire at them.